and welcome to Bayleys Bay. I'm Georgia and this is Tonya, and we are so excited to show you through our new listing here at 2121 Queen Charlotte Drive.
This property has been with the same family for over 100 years and it's steeped in history. It's a truly iconic property of Marlborough. It's going to be a remarkable purchase for somebody for generations to come.
Wow, what a property. If this property looks like you and you'd like to organise your own private viewing, then contact us, Tonya or Georgia, and let's make this dream happen.